Good morning, everyone. I am your chef for today. My name is Chef Bitoy Bits, and we will be preparing one of the most cooked viand or dish of Filipinos, and we call it adobo. That's right. So we have different versions from different provinces, as well as fusion with other cuisines. So I will name this dish pork adobo with a twist a la cocina ni Bitoy. So here are the ingredients. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you liked what I have prepared for you today. So just stick around and I will be posting more videos soon. Bye!